Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very special and meaningful topic, a 7-day nutritious meal plan designed for seniors recovering from chemotherapy. This is a journey to nurture health, regain energy, and enjoy delicious, easy-to-digest meals that support the body's recovery in the best way possible. If you or a loved one are looking to build a healthy eating routine post-chemotherapy, this guide will be your perfect companion. Let's get started. Understanding nutritional needs after chemotherapy. After chemotherapy, the body of seniors like Mary or John often needs extra care. Chemotherapy can reduce appetite, cause fatigue, or alter taste buds. But don't worry, a thoughtfully designed diet can help the body recover, boost immunity, and bring back a sense of vitality. The key is to focus on foods that are easy to digest, nutrient-dense, and flavorful, while catering to the tastes of seniors in the US or Europe. Imagine you're preparing a meal for your grandmother, who's just finished a round of chemo. She might feel tired and not want heavy or tough-to-chew foods. So, we need dishes that are gentle but packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals to support her body. Warm soups, creamy smoothies, or simple baked dishes are great choices. And don't forget, presenting food beautifully can spark appetite. This 7-day journey is designed to be easy to follow, using familiar ingredients you can find at stores like Whole Foods, Tesco, or local markets. Each day will tell a small story of how to combine foods to be both delicious and nourishing, while making your loved one feel cared for and loved. Day 1. A gentle start with warmth. Let's kick off the week with a day full of positive energy. After chemo, the body needs gentle foods to avoid overwhelming the stomach. Today, we'll focus on soft, easy-to-digest meals that are still packed with nutrition. For breakfast, try a bowl of warm oatmeal. Oatmeal is a fantastic choice because it's rich in fiber, supports digestion, and provides steady energy. Cook it with unsweetened almond milk, add sliced ripe banana, and a drizzle of honey for natural sweetness. For a protein boost, sprinkle some chia seeds on top. This dish is not only easy to eat, but also feels like a warm hug from the inside. At lunch, a bowl of pumpkin soup is ideal. Pumpkin is loaded with vitamin A, great for the eyes and immune system. Simply blend roasted pumpkin with a touch of low-fat cream and a pinch of fresh ginger to awaken the taste buds. If your loved one, like John, enjoys a richer flavor, stir in a spoonful of plain Greek yogurt for extra creaminess and protein. For dinner, try a simple baked salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3s, which help reduce inflammation and support heart health. Marinate it with a little olive oil, lemon juice, and herbs like dill, then bake for about 15 minutes. Pair it with mashed sweet potatoes and steamed asparagus. Sweet potatoes provide complex carbs, while asparagus adds fiber and folate. This meal is not only easy to chew but also vibrant, brightening up the dinner table. Day 2. Boosting protein and flavor. On Day 2, we'll focus on adding protein, which is crucial for rebuilding tissues and maintaining muscle strength. Protein is especially important for someone like Mary, who may feel weaker after chemo. For breakfast, whip up a peanut butter banana smoothie. It might sound unusual, but blending avocado, banana, a spoonful of natural peanut butter, and almond milk creates a smooth, protein, and healthy fat-packed drink. If Mary isn't a fan of peanut butter, swap it for a scoop of unsweetened vanilla protein powder. A pinch of cinnamon adds flavor and helps with blood sugar control. At lunch, try a light chicken salad. Use boiled or grilled chicken breast, shredded, and mix with romaine lettuce, cucumber, and cherry tomatoes. For a creamy yet light dressing, mix Greek yogurt with a touch of Dijon mustard and lemon juice. This salad is refreshing, providing protein and vitamin C to combat fatigue. For dinner, a chicken meatball stew with carrots and potatoes is a great choice. Mix ground chicken with breadcrumbs and egg, form into balls, and simmer in low-sodium chicken broth with chopped carrots and potatoes. This dish is soft, easy to digest, and feels like a cozy family meal, reminiscent of weekend gatherings. Day 3. color and vitamins from veggies. On day 3, let's focus on vegetables to boost vitamins and minerals, helping to strengthen the immune system. Veggies not only benefit health but also add vibrant colors, making meals more appealing. For breakfast, try oatmeal pancakes. Blend oats into flour, mix with egg, mashed banana, and a pinch of cinnamon. Cook on a non-stick skillet with a touch of butter. Top with a dollop of yogurt and fresh strawberry slices for extra flavor. These pancakes are soft, easy to chew, and energize the day. At lunch, a mixed vegetable soup is a wonderful option. Use carrots, zucchini, celery, and a handful of red lentils for plant-based protein. Simmer in low-sodium vegetable broth, then blend until smooth for easy eating. If John prefers some texture, leave a few veggie chunks. Pair with a slice of toasted whole grain bread for added satisfaction. For dinner, try baked tofu with roasted vegetables. Tofu is an excellent plant-based protein, easy to digest and perfect for days when meat feels too heavy. Marinate tofu with low-sodium soy sauce, honey, and garlic, then bake with bell peppers, zucchini, and eggplant. This dish is light yet colorful, lifting spirits with every bite. Day 4. Boosting energy with complex carbs. Midweek, the body may need extra energy to keep up with recovery. Complex carbohydrates from whole grains and vegetables provide sustained energy, helping someone like Mary feel vibrant. For breakfast, try a bowl of brown rice porridge with apples and walnuts. Slow-cooked brown rice in low-fat milk creates a creamy, easy-to-eat dish. Add diced apples and chopped walnuts for healthy fats and a bit of crunch. A drizzle of honey makes it sweetly comforting, like a morning treat. At lunch, whole grain pasta with tomato sauce and spinach is a great choice. Use whole wheat pasta for fiber, toss with homemade tomato sauce, just blend fresh tomatoes with garlic and basil. Add spinach for iron and vitamin K. If your loved one enjoys a touch of richness, sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top. For dinner, try a mushroom risotto. Use arborio rice cooked in vegetable broth, with shiitake and cremini mushrooms for deep flavor. A splash of low-fat cream makes it silky. Risotto is not only delicious but also easy to chew, perfect for days when fatigue sets in. Day 5. Adding flavor with natural spices. On day 5, let's spice things up to stimulate the taste buds, helping someone like John get excited about meals. Natural spices like turmeric, ginger, or dill not only enhance flavor but also offer health benefits. For breakfast, try a pineapple ginger smoothie. Pineapple is rich in vitamin C and digestive enzymes, while ginger helps ease nausea, a common post-chemo symptom. Blend fresh pineapple with a pinch of fresh ginger, Greek yogurt, and a spoonful of flax seeds for omega-3s. This drink is refreshing and energizing, like a burst of sunshine. At lunch, a turmeric chicken wrap is a fun option. Use a whole grain tortilla, spread with a mix of Greek yogurt and turmeric, then add shredded grilled chicken, lettuce, and shredded carrots. Turmeric adds a vibrant color and anti-inflammatory benefits. This wrap is easy to hold and eat, perfect for busy days. For dinner, try baked cod with passion fruit sauce. Cod is light and easy to digest, marinated with olive oil, passion fruit juice, and a touch of dill. Serve with quinoa mixed with roasted veggies like zucchini and carrots. This dish feels elegant, like a restaurant-quality meal at home. Day 6. Relaxing with comforting foods. As the weekend approaches, Day 6 is about relaxing with comforting, soothing foods. We'll focus on dishes that make the body feel nurtured and at ease. For breakfast, try soft scrambled eggs with spinach. Whisk eggs with a splash of milk, then cook with fresh spinach in a non-stick pan. Pair with a slice of toasted whole grain bread. This dish is rich in protein and iron, gently starting the day. At lunch, a lentil and carrot soup is a great choice. Red lentils cook quickly and are easy to digest, offering plant-based protein and fiber. Add carrots and a pinch of cumin for a warm flavor. This soup feels like a hug from the kitchen, bringing comfort. For dinner, try a stuffed baked potato with cheese and broccoli. Bake a potato until soft, scoop out the flesh, and mix with low-fat cheddar and steamed broccoli. This dish is easy to eat and packed with carbs, vitamin C, and calcium. Day 7. Ending the week with joy. On the final day, let's wrap up with meals that bring joy and satisfaction. After a week of nurturing the body, let's make food a celebration of health and resilience. For breakfast, try French toast. Use whole grain bread, dip in a mix of egg and milk, then cook on a non-stick skillet. Top with fresh berries and a drizzle of honey for natural sweetness. This feels like a special weekend breakfast, sparking happiness. At lunch, a tuna salad is a light option. Use water-packed canned tuna, mixed with Greek yogurt, diced cucumber, and a touch of dill. Serve with whole grain crackers. This dish is fresh and easy, perfect for a relaxed afternoon. For dinner, end with a slow-cooked beef stew. Use tender beef chuck, simmered with tomatoes, carrots, and potatoes in a slow cooker for 6 to 8 hours. This dish is soft, flavorful, and feels like a loving family meal. Closing, a journey of care. This 7-day journey is not just about eating, it's about caring for and loving yourself or your loved one. Each meal is a chance to nourish the body, uplift the spirit, and bring joy. Feel free to tweak dishes to suit preferences, like adding Mary's favorite spices or reducing sweetness for John. Thank you for watching until the end. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment below and share one thing you learned today and how you plan to use it in your life. Your thoughts mean the world to us, so don't hesitate to share. Reading your comments gives us so much motivation and encouragement. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Your support helps us keep creating great content to inform and inspire you. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you in the next video.